So here, I've discussed topic called how to manage one single Gmail account we can create by multiple Gmail accounts. That is called combine and manage. Suppose I'm logging with the ABC at gmail.com. So we can combine for n number of Gmail to one Gmail account. The purpose of receiving and send mails. That is called, if you go to any email, just click for compose. First of all, we decide you can send mail through which one. We select for the multiple Gmails here. That is called select by the combine and manage your Gmail accounts. How to combine and manage your account for one single account. That is called, if anybody asking interview question, that will be called here. How to combine and manage multiple Gmail account within a single account. For the purpose, we can't log in for individual account. One login you can create by a number of emails with the different Gmail address. Now here, first of all, the option call is go to Gmail settings. In this one, the option call is settings. Here they can show the n number of options here. Here the option will be called accounts and imports. Account and imports. Select this option. Here, what is called? Send mail as. Select by n number of emails here. Now select for what is called? Add another email address. Here we have question. You can add Yahoo. We can't. They accept only for Gmails or official email address. Info@flipkart.com. Info@of Amazon.in. If your official email address along with the password will be there, carry with the Gmail also. Now here, what option called? Add email address. Just click here. Now, first of all, write down your email address. Add it. Click for next step. What is called? Send verification. Now just click. You can add for send verification email. See this. Where the receive for email code. Without email verification, we can't receive for same account. So what we do? Just log in your account will be using for incognito window. Just log in your Gmail. Enter. Click for next. Enter your password. Enter the password here. Done. Click for option call is next. Now your Gmail. Now check your verification code. See this one. Done. Now here. What is the code here? This is code generated for your email. Just come to here. Just option here. Just click. Click for verify. Done. Now here. They are adding for option here. See this. Done. Now go to compose. Select previous how many emails are there? 3. Now will be called 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called combine and manage your account for one single account maintained for multiple Gmail account for sending for mail purpose. So if I am sending for mail, so and so mail ID, you can log in with the one Gmail ID enough. You can send for mail ID. We can receive for reply also same Gmail ID. Is it clear? This is called combine and manage your multiple Gmail account in one single account for purpose of sending email purpose. Same like we can add for official email address also. For that of flipkart.com, so and so official email address we adding for through Gmails.